Understanding the phrase, smoking the meat, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're diving into a phrase that might tickle your culinary senses, smoking the meat. Whether you're a food enthusiast or just curious about English idioms and phrases, this video is for you. Let's explore what this phrase means, its origins, and how to use it in everyday conversation. Smoking the meat primarily refers to a cooking technique. It involves exposing meat to smoke from burning or smoldering material, usually wood, to add flavor, tenderize, and preserve the meat. This process can take several hours and is a popular method for preparing dishes like barbecue ribs, smoked salmon, and beef jerky. In this section, we'll delve into the history of this technique and its significance in different cultures. In English, phrases often have both literal and figurative meanings. Beyond cooking, smoking the meat can be used metaphorically. For instance, it might denote thoroughly completing a task or doing something with great attention to detail. Here, we'll explore various contexts where this phrase could be applied figuratively, providing examples and common usage. This section will highlight how the phrase, smoking the meat, appears in popular culture, including movies, books, and songs. We'll also discuss its usage in different English-speaking regions, emphasizing how it may be more prevalent in areas with a strong tradition of smoked foods. Now, let's put it into practice. How do you use smoking the meat in everyday English? This section will offer dialogue examples, showing the phrase in action. We'll cover formal and informal scenarios, giving you a rounded understanding of its versatility. And that's a wrap on smoking the meat. We hope this video has provided you with a deeper understanding of this flavorful phrase, both in its literal and figurative senses. Remember, language is like a dish best enjoyed when fully understood. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.